boneless recipes. So on a Sunday, nobody really wants to slog in the kitchen, yet you want to make something really special for your family. So today I've come up with this recipe. Actually, it is a very simple recipe. It's just something I came up with and just put something together. And with ingredients that we have at home, nothing really, you don't have to have many ingredients in this recipe. It's super simple, and the end result is simply delicious. So let's head on to my kitchen and make today's Sunday chicken special recipe. So let's get started with today's special recipe of Sunday chicken special. So here I've taken about 450 grams of boneless chicken breast and cut it up into small cubes. I'm just going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. All ingredients with their exact measurements will be in the description box below. So this is homemade ginger garlic paste. I've just taken about an inch of ginger, peeled it, and about 5 to 6 large cloves of garlic. Now I'm just going to be adding some chicken tandoori masala. You can use any brand. I've used the Everest masala. And I'm just going to add about roughly 1.5 tablespoon. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of ajwain or ova. So about say 1/4 of a teaspoon of ova or ajwain. A little bit of Kashmiri red chilli powder for the color. So about a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Some salt to taste. And about half a cup of thick yogurt. Now I have a recipe for homemade yogurt or homemade dahi, how to make your own curd or dahi at home. So I will leave a link in the description box below. And now we're just going to mix everything together. That's our marinade. And we're going to keep this aside for at least 20 minutes so that the chicken, nicely gets marinated in all of this masalas and the curd. So give it a good mix, and then we're just going to cover and keep it aside for about 20 minutes. You can keep it for an hour too, but 20 minutes at least. And then we're just going to heat about a tablespoon of oil in a pan, and we're just going to put all of this marinated chicken into the pan. And we're just going to fry the chicken well, and we're going to add about half a cup of water and cook the chicken. And then I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon of kasuri meethi, crushed kasuri meethi. And I'm going to let this cook for at least 5 minutes on a low flame. I'm going to put a lot of coriander, fresh coriander, which is chopped up. I love coriander in any of my, on all my dishes rather. And that's it, friends. This dish gets ready within about 15 to 20 minutes. And, you're all set. So guys, wasn't that really simple? Few ingredients, but yet it looked delicious and tastes even more delicious. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and it goes really well with some nice hot chapatis or rotis, or even as a side dish with some rice and dal. It's really nice. So if you like this recipe, then don't forget to click the thumbs up icon that you see just below this video. And also, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, then do that. It's just below this video, or red subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, a little bell will show up. Just click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a video, you'll get a notification of the same. Also, if you want to find me on YouTube, just type the recipe you're looking for, and just besides it, type Akshata's recipes, and my recipe will pop up first. I'm also very active on Facebook and Instagram, and I have my own blog page. All links are below. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I'll see you soon.